how can I love the Republicans or how can I love the Democrats when we disagree so much? It's the same thing where Jonah was saying, these are the enemies of our country. He is a merciful God. And if I go and I preach to them and they repent, what's going to happen is that God is going to forgive the people from Gaza who have been killing our people for many years. See how that works and how it applies to us today? Because we have the people from the opposite side, and then you have Russia and you have Ukraine. And the people from Russia are saying our side is right, and the people from Ukraine are saying our side is right. And if you go to Russia and you hear the Russian rhetoric, it's as if Ukraine is the demon in this situation. And if you go to Ukraine, you hear that Russia is the demon in all this. And I have the side that I prefer in all of this. But what I'm talking about is the fact that when we look at the situation that's going on, we have enemies on either side. And how would you feel if you were a person from Ukraine and God tells you, I want you to go to Russia and get Russia to get their sins forgiven so that I will forgive them and wash everything over and cover their sins? And that is a situation that Jonah finds himself in. At this point, you have, even in the church, where you have some people in the church are saying, I don't want to have anything to do with the people from the other side in the church because they are really enemies of my family, because in my family we are going to lose certain rights. And then over the other side you have people saying, but look at what this is going to do for a certain demographic of our society. And you have this tussle. And so Jonah reminds us that in the middle of all of this political tension and the tension between one side and the other side, and I'm not going to get into whether you should be favoring the BBB or you should be against the BBB. But what I'm saying here is that Jonah finds himself in a similar situation to the situation we find ourselves in America today. And we need to understand how, as a Christian, we can be light in the midst of this tussle and light in the middle of all of what is going on. And how can I love the Republicans or how can I love the Democrats when we disagree so much?